Hey friends, welcome back to Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar. And what we are not getting right today is we are not going to care what others think about me. We are going to stop thinking about what the world is thinking about me. And why do we need to do that? Why do we really need to do that? Do I even need to answer that? Do you not know that we cannot be the slave of somebody else's opinion? We cannot just be thinking about what others think and what others do not think, what others think about me, what would somebody say if I do this and what would somebody say if I do that. Are these thoughts not stopping you from taking the actions that you want to take? Are those thoughts not stopping you from doing things that you want to do? Then why on earth, why the hell are you even thinking that? Why are you not stopping to think that? Why are you even bothered about what others are thinking about you? Why are you even caring about that? You need to stop doing that today, and you need to stop doing that right away. Right now you need to stop thinking what others think about you. Give it a damn. Come on, give it a damn. Be extremely selfish, because at the end of the day, what you should be caring about, who you should be bothered about, is about the person who you see in the mirror. You should only be bothered about, you should only be caring of, you should only be taking the most care of that one person who you see in the mirror. There is nobody else who is a better person to be taken care of. If you can take care of that person who you see in the mirror, if you can take care of the self-confidence of that person, if you can take care of the ego of that person, if you can take care of the motivation of that person, if you can take care of the self-respect and the everything of that person, nothing can stop you from becoming successful, and nothing can stop you. Nobody else, nobody out on the outside can stop you from doing what you want to do. Do not be bothered about. This is our problem. This is something that we all struggle with at every step of our life. In every moment of our life, we think of what would others be thinking about me? What if I do this? What if something goes wrong? What would others think about me? I want to drive a good car because I want others to think good of me. I want to wear branded clothes. Why? Because I want others to think good about me. I want to wear an expensive watch. Why? Because others want to think about me. Come on, you do not have to think about anybody else. We think that the rich people, the famous people are moving around in those luxurious cars or wearing those branded clothes or watches because they wanted to show to you. Not really. They want those luxury cars, they want those watches or the expensive clothes because they have to answer to themselves. When they stand in front of the mirror, they find themselves more confident, full of self-respect, full of energy when they see themselves in that attire. But most of us are wearing those expensive clothes, those luxurious things as a way of showing it off, as a way of bragging outside to the world. I traveled business class. Come on, if I travel business class, that would be for me. That would be for saving my time and my comfort and my increasing my efficiency and so many more things. Why would I try to travel business class just because I have to show this to the outer world? No, that is the attitude that needs to change. You need to understand that the only person that you are going to impress, the only person that you are going to or willing to convince is that one person behind the mirror. So who is behind the mirror? Figure it out. Go in front of the mirror and see who that one person is whom you would want to convince. So go and find out who that one person is who you want to impress, really. And if you can impress that person, if you can convince that person, you will never need to convince anybody else. You will never need to impress anybody else, because if you are the best you, if you become the best you, the world is going to follow you. You are going to be a trendsetter. You are going to have a massive following because you have stopped following others but you have started building a following for yourself by stopping to follow others, giving time, investing time in yourself, in making a better you, in loading yourself with a lot of information, a lot of knowledge, a lot of better clothes, better energy, better of everything that could be within you. Because when you stand in front of the mirror, you can say to yourself, yes, I am the best version of myself. This is the best version of me. I give my 100% to anything and everything that comes to my life. And if I can say that, if I can say in front of the mirror confidently, I can stand and say that I gave my 100% to the day. I did all that I could today, and I will do everything that is possible to give better tomorrow, to learn from the mistakes today and to give a better tomorrow, to be more efficient tomorrow, to be more effective tomorrow. I will be doing that, whatever it takes to have a better tomorrow and to have a great today. So if you can answer this to your mirror, if you can ask this to your mirror, and if you get this answer from your mirror that yes, you are the best, you won't even bother about thinking. You won't even care about thinking what others think about you. You won't literally be bothered about what the entire world is saying about you. We have seen a lot of successful people about whom we keep hearing a lot of negative things. But are they really bothered about those negative publicity? Are they really bothered about those negative comments coming up? Are they bothered about those false news coming up? No, because if they are still able to answer in front of the mirror that they are the best, they are doing their best, and they are taking care of themselves in the bestest possible way, they do not need to care about the negative publicities and the negative news. Because they are taking good care of themselves. So if you start taking good care of yourself, you become answerable only to you and yourself, not to anybody else. And that is the way to massive success. That is responsible for the freedom in your life that you can get if you start doing it. So you want to be free, you want to be in control, and you want to be successful, then do follow this one thing. Make yourself responsible, answerable to the person standing in front of you in the mirror and nobody else. Yes, look in the mirror and get all your answers from there. Wish you all the best to a wonderful day and a wonderful career. And if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to ask me on any of my social media channels. My social media channels start with @ITZSAWANK. You can find me on Instagram, on Clubhouse, on Facebook, and so many more. So wish you all the best and have a good day. Bye bye.